Hey guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. My name is Lizzie. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas in arrears and Happy New Year. To all my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. You are welcome back. And to my new subscribers, I mean, if you are just seeing my video for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Ankara earring bow tie and Ankara earring with Taperule brooch. You're welcome to the tutorial. So guys, we're on the making of Ankara earring with bow tie. These are the materials I will be using: scissors, taperule, chalk, round earring, Ankara fabric, candle wax and lighter. You can as well use glue gun. So on your Ankara fabric, you measure your length to be 7 inches length. Then your width should be 3. You measure it all through and connect. Now we'll cut it out. So now I've cut it out. We'll go ahead and iron it. So this is the material I cut out. Now we'll press it, and this is the back side and this is the front side. Turn it to the back, fold it ½ inch here and iron it. Fold here too ½ inch and iron it as well. So now I'm done ironing. You have ironed the both edge. Now you pick your round earring and place it at the middle. Then you pick your glue, your candle wax and your lighter. Just burn it a little for it to melt. So now you apply a little on the both edge to hold the earring down. So now you cover it, lap it on each other, then apply your candle wax on it and gum together. So after gumming, you will now form the bow tie now. So you cut a small piece of Ankara we use to form the bow tie. This small piece is 1 inch width and 1.5 inches length. So we'll just fold it on the both edge and use it to form our bow tie. We'll wrap it around it. So after using that small piece to hold it, you apply a little candle wax and gum it together. So after gumming, this is what you have. This is the finished work of our Ankara earring bow tie. Now, to make Ankara earring with Taperule brooch, you will need a round object. I'll be using this. Place it on your Ankara fabric and draw out the shape. Draw out as many as possible. So after drawing them out, you pick your scissors and trace it out. So after cutting them out like this, you pick your material, you fold one, you apply your candle wax to the middle and fold two. It will look like this. You fold one, apply your candle wax to the middle, fold two. After folding together, this is what you have. Now we want to attach it to themselves. Pick one of these. Don't gum from where it is open, gum from this side. Apply your candle wax and attach another one to it. Apply your candle wax and apply another one to attach another one to it. So this down, I've actually gum 5 of these to their self. So we'll continue. Apply your candle wax. Continue to join them together. So after I join them together, this is what I have. Make 2 of these. This is the other one. Then get your earring, your round egg, get the middle, apply your candle wax and pick one of your Taperule's brooch, place it on it and hold it to dry. Then you apply your candle wax to the top and place the other one on it. You hold it to dry. So we are done. This is the finished work of our Ankara earring with brooch and the finished work of our Ankara earring with bow tie.